Yeah. Yeah. Tell me. Tell me about it. Yeah. Oh, you're full of words. Yeah. You're full of words. Tell me about it. Talk to me. Huh? Go ahead. What you got to say? Yeah. Did you say Holly? Yeah, Holly. Did you say Yaya?
He's just pushing up, isn't he?
Yeah. Like I'm trying to support his head with his legs.
Your legs are so strong.
You just want to push away with your legs.
Axter, he's strong.